Hi, so welcome to my Tableau assignment. My name is Ashton Crowder, and I am a Business Analytics and Information Systems major here at USF. And this is the Tableau assignment for ISM 3113, taught by Professor Harvey Hyman. And the data set I have here is video games. So various video games. I got the data set from Kaggle.com. And they said that it was generated by vgcharts.com, and this includes over 100,000 copies of various video games throughout the years. So if we look into the data set itself and we kind of sort it by 2016, or by the years, you can see that 2016 is the most recent year for this data set, so it goes up until 2016. So that will impact the sales for like PS4 and Xbox One, which you'll see soon. So let's dive into the first visualization, which is the various platforms and their global sales. We can see, since this is a 2016 data set, Xbox One and PS4 are all the way down here. If it was a more up-to-date data set, it would probably be a lot more up towards where the PS2 and PS3 are. But in this data set, the PS2 is the clear winner, with PS3, Xbox 360, Wii, the original PlayStation, and the DS also being in that hunt. The next visualization is the different genres and their global sales. So action, adventure, fighting, etc. Action's clearly the best-selling genre. One thing to note is that these figures here are all in millions. So if you go to global sales, 82.7 is 82.7 million. So back to this. This is So as you can see, this is 1.7 trillion, 1.3 trillion, 927 million. So action and sports are definitely the best ones, while strategy and puzzle are kind of the not favored genres in total. So next up, we have all the various regions. We have Europe, Japan, and North America, and we have their global sales for each platform, so we kind of see which platform's favored in what region. If we look at North America, we can see that the Xbox 360, the PS2, and the Wii are the best platforms for there, whereas for Japan, it's completely different. It's the Nintendo DS, the original PlayStation, and the PlayStation 2 are the biggest ones, which makes sense because those are all Asian companies, so they're influenced by their region. And then Europe is very similar to North America. You can kind of see here Xbox 360, PlayStation 2, Wii, and the PlayStation 3 are all top ones, just like North America. So lastly, we have the best-selling games, and I did this by I took all the games that were greater than 15 million in sales. So that makes the database look, there's 100,000 games, so you can have to narrow it down a little bit. But rounding out, like we said, Wii Sports with roughly 82.7 million. But one key thing I want to look at here is the publishers. You can see that Nintendo has a lot of dominance in all of these best-selling games. The genres are they vary a lot, which is kind of weird comparing when we go back to the genres and see all this. But sports, action, platform, there's no like dominance as you would see here in the publishers, which is kind of unique. But you have all the normal games. You know, a lot of the Call of Duties are up here. All the Wii type games from Nintendo are up here. And then some of even the sports games with Electronic Arts are in here with FIFA. So lastly, we got the actual video game dashboard that lists all the 4 visualizations. So we have the best-selling platforms, the best-selling genres, the best-selling games, and then the platform sales by each region. So that kind of covers all the different fields that we have here. And that was the main goal of this, was to kind of highlight a little bit of everything about video games, not just the video games themselves, but the genres, the publishers, and all that. So, to have some conclusions, Nintendo is a very dominant publisher, as you can see from the video game sales. For platforms, the PS2 and the PS3 and the Xboxes are all very good platforms by sales. And then we have the best genres. The best genres are action and sports. And yeah, so that is it for my Tableau assignment. Thank you for listening, and see you later.